Unlocking innovation through robotics education. Welcome to our channel, Jay Robotics. Today, we're exploring the realm of automation with our Arduino laser activation system. For this project, gather an Arduino board, a laser module, a push button, and an LED. Connect the laser module to the pin 13 and the push button to pin 2. Before we upload the code, ensure you've selected the correct board and port. Go to Tools in the Arduino IDE, choose your board, for example, Arduino Uno, and select the port your Arduino is connected to. Now, you can upload the provided code. A press of the button and the laser springs to life, making automation feel like magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy tinkering!